Hey there, Frederick here. Check this out. This is a full website with several pages, a blog, an e-commerce site where you can be booked for online meetings or for consulting or anything at all that you can think of having in a website. Is all in this website, and it was all designed with my smartphone. And in this tutorial today, I am going to be teaching you how you can create a free full website with your smartphone. Before you move on, I would like you to hit the like button right now so that more people will get to see this video. And then let's jump right into the video. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching.
So first off, you are going to go to your Google Chrome or your Play Store, your Play Store or your App Store to download Wix. All right, so just search up for Wix or use the link in the description. Downloaded it. So I'm going to open it. All right, when you open it, Wix is going to ask you to get started. All right, to sign up. So you can sign up with either your website get started. Okay, so I'm going to tap sign up with email, and I'm going to key in my email and then continue. Okay, so you're going to send link. Okay, so it's going to send me the link. All right, so I've already tapped on this. So here we are signing to Wix. Okay, so I am signing into Wix. All right, and now it's logging me in. Okay, so this is going to be my dashboard. Right, this is my dashboard. They already created everything for me. Okay, this is going to be my dashboard. So how do we get started with creating the website? I'm going to tap on the sites and I'm going to tap on the sites and app. All right, so you can see create websites. Okay, so here I am going to create the website right now. Create website. You select the category of your business. So for instance, that I'm creating this for my company, business consulting firm. All right, so you tap on next. So it's going to ask you the name. So this is where I'm going to write Movio Consult. All right, so tap on next. Then this is what would you like to add to. These are the pages that you can add to Movio Consult. So you can see programs. I can add programs. I can also add store, where I can get to create a store for my business. Okay, an e-commerce part of my business. So you can see blog is already ticked, bookings, price list, forums. Would you like to also add forums to your business website? So events and all of that. Okay, so let's assume that I've selected this 5. Okay, and then I'm going to tap done. So it's going to create the website. Okay, so Movio Consult is ready. Now I'm going to start doing editing or customizing the website. Okay, so Movio Consult is ready. Then almost there. So I can now get to be able to customize the website. So it's still loading. So you can see we will let you know when your site is ready. So you can actually exit the page to do other things. So once you can see your site is ready up there. So next I'm going to tap on the edits. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the edits now. So let's tap on the edits from up here. Okay, so let's now tap on the edits. Okay, so here we are going to start creating the website. Okay, this is where we are going to start editing the website. You can see you don't need to code. It's just a drag and drop thing. All right, just like your Elementor in WordPress. Okay, so you can see Movio Consult. Then it has some things. Okay, remember that we added an e-commerce store, so this is why it added this button. So I'm still going to edit all of this and change it to what I want. Okay, so this is actually the front page. Okay, let's see how the preview looks like. Okay, let's preview the page that they just created for us. and see how it looks like. So this is actually how we are going to also customize the website to look like. Okay, so it's still loading. Okay, so this is how the website is going to look like. Actually, this is how it's going to look like. You can see how it's going to look like, our services, everything. Okay, so now let's get back and start editing it to what we want. So if you want to change this header, okay, if you want to change the header, you can change the header. Then you can see logo. All right, so let's replace this logo with the company logo. So let's look for our company logo and then replace that immediately. Okay, WhatsApp document and this. Okay, so let's replace the logo first. So we have our logo right in there. So the next thing is the email. All right, let's change it to company email, Movio Biz Consulting. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be looking at is the business name is already there. Tagline. All right, tagline should be there. So let's use our tagline, the smartphone business. The smartphone business. So the next thing is phone number. All right, so we can add a phone number right here, a phone number. Then social accounts. All right, so let's turn on and put in our social accounts. For here we have, okay, Movio Consult. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to get your Wix page, your website done with Wix. Okay, done. Then LinkedIn. All right, so if you want to also add another social media, maybe what is that one called, Instagram. Okay, so we can still add our Instagram account right here. Okay, you can see add our Instagram account right here, and it will automatically add the Instagram logo. You can see it have added the Instagram logo, right? So with this we are done with the header. So let's tap on done. Okay, so our header is ready. Okay, updating our header in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, while that is going on, so the next thing is the picture. All right, this image that you're seeing, that's the welcome image. So you can see our header, Movio Consult, the business, the smartphone business. All right, so you can see. Then the next thing is what, when you go down, you actually see the new listing that we added. Okay, I think that's where it's supposed to be. We'll come to that. So the next thing is the picture here. So if we do not like this picture, we can change this picture. All right, we can change this picture to something else. Either you download your own picture or what. Okay, we have a woman with a smartphone. I think that can serve. Then you can see welcome to Movio Consult is there. Subtitle at the forefront. No, I don't want this as a subtitle, so let's turn off subtitle. So let's now do what? For implementing new business strategy, this is actually a default. All right, so let's write Movio Consult is a consulting firm that teaches smartphone users digital skills to leverage on for business with a smartphone. So let's just keep this there. All right, so the next thing is buttons. Okay, for buttons, for contacts, link to phone. All right, so this phone, change it to your phone number. Okay, 234-7062-322278. okay, so phone, and you can see add another button if you so wish. So we can write something like Facebook also, and then over there is the link. Okay, link to web. Okay, link to web. So if this page, okay, this page is actually, if you want a link to maybe services, okay, we'll still add, okay, service page. Okay, so top of the page. All right, so you can still link this way. Okay, you can still link this way and write services. Okay, so now let me show you how this is going to look like. So if you want to change the layouts, these are actually different layouts you can select. Okay, or you can pick from. All right, these are actually different layouts you can pick from. So let's use this layout and see how it looks. So let's see how it updates, and then we see if it's great. Okay, so we are gradually designing our website with this click and drop page website called Wix. Okay, so we have this. Sorry, it's not done updating. All right, so we now have the SmallView Consult, and then see contact and services. So if I tap on these services, it's going to link me to the service page, but I've not set that up yet. If I tap on contact, it's going to ask if I want to know. Sorry, this is editing. So if I tap on contact, it's going to want to make a phone call. Okay, the next page is the store. Okay, remember we added an online store. Okay, so this says continue in, so I can only edit this after creating this website. So I'll show you when to edit this, even this as well also. Okay, services, you can see the things that are done in services. All right, so these are different ways that you can edit your services. So you can see media. If I want to enter this media, so I can replace this and add something like consulting. All right, consulting. Okay, this diagram is best for consulting. You can also add a diagram from any other place, please. So consulting, to learn more, I can turn on the learn more button. All right, maybe if you want to learn more about consulting, okay, our services. Okay, then under here I'm going to write something like this. I'm going to write consulting. Right, so add the description, offers a wide range of consulting service. Okay, we can keep it this way, even though that they are the ones that added this. So let's add done. Okay, of course I'm not going to finish everything that is here. So now under this list of items, these are actually things that different services that the brand offers. Okay, so you can just come here and start changing it to digital skill training. Okay, so just come here and then write the thing that we train. Okay, so over here, get in touch should be here. All right, get in touch or learn more. I can change this to rather learn more. Okay, then I can maybe link it to something, maybe a phone number or email. All right, I can link it to email. Okay, SmallView Consult email. Okay, you can link it this way. Okay, all right, so when I'm done, I'm going to click on done. Okay, so we have digital skills, introductory consulting. I can change it to maybe videography or digital marketing services. All right, you can say we offer digital whatever in the description. Okay, then I'm going to tap on this button, all right, and change it to learn more. And then under the link, I'm going to also add what I want to do there. Okay, so if I want to add more lists, I'm just going to tap on the add. Okay, so it's going to add the list. Okay, if I want to change the layout, you can see change layout. So this is where I can actually change layout to however way I want the services to be listed. Okay, just the same way you used to see it on some websites. Okay, let's use this circular one. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to tap done. So now let's see what we have done so far. How the website is looking. Okay, so we have this. Then under the services, okay, still loading. So after this, I'm going to show you how you can add your online products. Okay, so we now have this. Okay, we have digital skill training, we have digital marketing services, we have strategic planning. All right, so different things. Remember what we also added there, our services, consulting, so and so. Okay, so after that, we can come to the contact us. You can leave this contact us the way it is. Okay, so you can see our email is already here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this page and then correct the contact us. So I can change this contact us to my address. Okay, so I can change it to my address. Change the address, everything, change the fast, change the description. Okay, or turn it on, contact us and find out our services. Okay, so we can change the email address to okay, if you still want to add, so these are social contacts. All right, our social contact needs to come on. So if you still want to change the layout of your this thing, you can still change it to the way, however way you want it to look like. Okay, so you can see how this thing is just doing this, click, drag and drop, customize, and it is actually a full-fledged website. Okay, So when all of these are done, okay, while this is going, let's go to pages. Okay, it's done. Okay, so it has changed. It has changed. The ones that are actually like Lagos, it has changed. So the next thing is pages. All right, so under these pages, if you want to add pages, so these are the pages I've already added for me. Remember, I added some pages right here, right? So these are the pages I've added already. So you can see book online, thank you page, product page, shop. Okay, under the shop page, all right, we can still go ahead and edit it to what we want. All right, you can still go ahead and edit your shop. So this is now where you can get to, you see all the shops, the things that they have already. Okay, so I can select on it and start editing them. I can actually change it right here until I have published the website. Okay, so I'll show you how to still edit this as we move on. So these are other things you can add. So if you come to the plus sign, you can see add more pages if you want. Okay, you can see add more pages if you ever want, just the same way you have when you are designing your website with Elementor or with WordPress. Okay, so over at the more, if you want to hire a professional to help you, awesome. Okay, then the upgrade button. So over here again is the theme. Okay, let's get back to the page, the home page. Okay, so over here, the home page. So over here is the theme. So if I want to change to any theme of my choice, okay, Movie Consult color is always yellow, so I'm going to change it to bold, this yellow background. Okay, so I will have some yellow splash on it. Okay, so if your company's color is not here, I don't think if you can add any other thing, right? So you can maybe just go solo. Okay, let me use jet black. I also like the black color, even though it's not the company color. So just for the sake of practice. So that's the another color you might want. Okay, so after this, once it's done updating, I'm going to publish the website. Okay, the website is ready. It's done updating. Okay, so now it's black. Okay, now it is black. You can see the store icon up here. Okay, so let's preview before we publish. Okay, so let's wait for the preview to be generated and then we publish, and then I'll show you how to set up your online store. Okay, so while this thing is going on, let me also add this, that one of the awesome things I noticed with this website is that it actually sends you notifications for every person that comes into your website. So the website is ready, shows you notifications for everyone that comes into that checks out your website, and also their behavior, what they are tapping, what they are doing, and all of that. So you see how it's looking, right? See how it's looking? Good. So let's go back to edit and then we'll tap on publish. Okay, so we are going to wait for it to publish. So it's publishing and publishing. While we wait, awesome, it is ready. Your site is live. Okay, so now before we check out this site, let's also talk about the domain. All right, you might want to remove this wixsite.com, all right, and get your own domain. All right, so over here you can see different the features and the pricing and pricing plan of these of Wix. All right, you can decide to go business unlimited for $12 a month. Okay, where you get your free domain, your free SSL as well. There's also free SSL here, secure online payments and all. Okay, you get a lot of other features, especially getting your own domain. Okay, so if you want to go with the website just the ordinary, you can still see like this one, unlimited for entrepreneurs and freelancers, $6 per month. Okay, so free domain for 1 year, remove Wix ads, and free SSL certificate, bandwidth unlimited, storage 10 gig, video hours, and all of that. All right, you can also get this for yourself. All right, just tap select on any of them and pay, and that is it. Okay, so that's that for that. Yes, I have. All right, so our website is ready. Our website is ready. Okay, so let's view. You can see published right here. Okay, so now talking about what I said, so when you go to your dashboard, okay, this is where you can actually set up the products. All right, those things that you saw, the store and everything that you saw. Okay, so let's go to products. All right, let's go to products, and you will see how we can now remove those things that were there. So these are those stuff that were there actually. Okay, so this is where you get to just tap and remove all of them. All right, so when you've removed all of them, you can now add your own product. Maybe add, and then you write product name. Maybe I want to put in my book, $10 daily income. if you haven't gotten a copy of $10 Daily Income Hack ebook, so you should also get a copy. So let's write 2,000 naira. Okay, so if I let's make it this way, 2,000 and then a discount, add discount. Okay, so let's add a discount of 1,000 naira. Apply. So look at how it's going to now look. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. Applying. Okay, all right, it's have applied. I already think I have. Okay, so this is it. All right, this is what we are doing. So let's add an image to it also. Well, let me not add. So you can always add your image to it. Then these are the product description, any other thing that you want to add, tracking inventory, all the whole things that you want to add. Okay, so it's applied right here. Okay, so now let's see how it's going to appear in our store. Okay, so let's go back to our website and see. So you can see orders. You can actually use this to track everything that is happening on your website when people get to want to buy or when people buy. Okay, so let's open the view, okay, and go to our store and see how that thing that I added. So this is, I'm viewing the page right now. So you can see $10 Daily Income Hack is listed here. Okay, $10 Daily Income Hack, and then all the other products that are all the other products that I listed. Okay, so this is how you do what you create your website. So to copy your website's link, just tap on share URL. All right, when you share URL, then you can copy it to clipboard. All right, and that is it. Okay, over here at the dashboard also, another thing you can also do is your blog. Okay, if I want to create a blog post, tapping on this plus sign, you can see add a product, create a blog post. Okay, so if I tap on the create a blog post, you can see that you don't actually need a laptop. If you do not have a laptop, you don't actually need it to do anything. Okay, how to create a free website. Okay, and let's write and let's tap on the plus sign and add an image. Do we need to add an image? I don't have straight to add. So let's just assume that I'm done. So let's tap next and how to create. All right, and the post is up. Okay, sorry, save and publish. Save and publish. All right, the post is up. So let's view the post. Let's view the post. So let's view reviewing the posts now. Let's view the post. Sorry, let's get back. All right, so I am going to open that website with this. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, the ebayfrederick2.wixsite.com/moviocons. The ebayfrederick2 is actually the email that I used to open the website. Okay, that was what they added here. Okay, remember that you can only change this by going pro, by getting the upgrading your website. Okay, if not, like what I tell people, you can actually change it to bit.ly. Okay, and then you can manage it that way until